So I'm actually finally back to milling again, which is great. I actually just picked up this trailer full of small logs. Some of them are as small as 10 inches in diameter, and what I've been doing with them is basically just turning them into stickers, which is great because I ran out of stickers. And I had a bunch of these short logs, and I've actually milled a bunch of them already, and I'm going to go ahead and mill a bunch of more of them now. And so what I do first is I shave the four sides so I have a square small little cant, and then what I do is I cut 1-inch boards off of them, then I flip the boards up, and then I cut them 1-inch slices off of those, so I have 1x1 stickers. I'm going to go ahead and start milling these and stacking my stickers. Anyway, thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing. I have quite a few sawmilling videos on this channel, so go over and check those out, and we will see you in a bit. I'm going to get started. Alright, well that log only took about 20 minutes to cut, and I got an additional 30 stickers out of that. So it would cost me at least 20 bucks to get that many stickers if I were to buy them, and I can just cut these up and I get all the wood for free. It takes me 20 minutes, and that's taking my time. So to me that seems like it's worthwhile. Anyway, let me know what you guys think, and if you have a sawmill, if you would do this or not. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and grab a bunch more of these 4-foot log sections and go ahead and cut them up, turn them all into stickers. I'll get all the stickers stacked so they can sit and dry, and then I'll be able to move on to grabbing some of the bigger logs, and we'll be able to go ahead and get some better dimensional lumber out. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this done, and we will talk to you in a bit. What's up, bro?
I really want to get on top of the roof.
Guys, so as you can see, one of the other benefits of using these small little logs to make stickers is they're very easy to handle. So I didn't have to use any machines or anything. I just roll it over to it and lift it right up, put it on there and get cutting. And I'm not going to be able to make a whole lot of lumber out of these little logs, so it makes use of them and eliminates, you know, waste and logs sitting out in the woods rotting that people are cutting up. So it's a good way to make use of these smaller little logs, I think. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and cut this. Another note too to think about is if you are making your own stickers, if you have access to small logs like this, you're avoiding cutting into your bigger, longer logs that you could actually make some nice lumber out of to make stickers, and instead just using these shorter cut up sections that people have lying around. So something to think about. Anyway, I'm going to get started on milling this one. Alright, so that last log that I just milled took me 13 minutes, and that was actually with some fluff time in there with being stopped by the kids and stuff in between. So 13 minutes and I got 30 stickers out of it. So all in all, I think that's actually a pretty good deal. And so far I've only spent a few hours milling here today. I've got all those, and I've even cut some boards and stacked them, and some of the stickers are in there. There's actually some on a skid over there, some up on the back of my truck. So in just a few hours I've got hundreds of stickers now, and the logs came to me for free, and it's just my time milling. So, you know, if I value them at probably a, you know, 75 cents a piece or so you would pay at the store, I'd say that adds up and is more than worth it. So let me know what you guys think anyway. But I think that's going to be it for this video. Just wanted to show you how I cut stickers and where I get the wood from for them. And if you have any questions, comments, any advice, I'd be open to hear it. You know, I'm definitely by no means a seasoned professional at this, but this is just kind of what I've come up with, and it's worked well for me to this point. I've kind of tweaked things as I've gone, and I think this is kind of the best position I've been in with making stickers. So anyway, I appreciate you watching. I'm going to take off now and go for a walk with the kids, and we will see you on the next video. Thanks for watching.
Goodbye.
Thumbs up, like, and subscribe.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.